Welcome the students of class 7. Welcome to our social science history class. And today in this history class we are going to discuss some major campaigns and events led by the Mughal rulers, mainly the Mughal Emperor Akbar. So major military campaigns of Akbar is the today's subunit and it is present in page number 48. So open page number 48 of your history book and follow. In previous classes we have discussed that how did the Mughal Emperor Babur, Humayun consolidate and recapture the territory from the Suri dynasty as well as the Bairam Khan, the guardian of Akbar, also defeated the army general of the Adil Shah, that is Himu or Hemchandra, in the second battle of Panipat. Now today we is going to discuss the rest of the military campaigns organized by Akbar himself, and sometimes he also sent his troops in different part of the subcontinent and consolidate the entire subcontinent under his empire and established a huge empire. So he led all his military campaigns divided into three phases by the historians, and the first phase is from 1556 to 1517 AD. 1570 AD. So in that time he led his military expedition towards Malwa, Gondwana, it is central India, Amer, it is in Rajput state, Chittor, also Rajput state, Kalinjar, it is also Rajput state, Ranathambar, Chunar fort. Okay, so these are Rajput states, and central India, Malwa and Gondwana, these states, as well as he had to suppress the rebellion of his half brother Mirza Hakim. Mirza Hakim at the time the ruler of northwestern provinces, okay, in today's Afghanistan, those portion, and he also make a conspiracy with the help of Uzbeks against Akbar, but finally Mirza Hakim was defeated and killed by Akbar, and Uzbeks, the rebellion of the Uzbeks also suppressed by Akbar. The second expedition led from 1571 to 1571 to 1585. In that time period, he led his expedition towards Bengal and Bihar. At that time, in Bengal and Bihar, the Afghan rulers, they ruled. Afghan rulers, Hakim Khan ruled. So they defeated Hakim Khan in 1574 to 76 and captured Bengal and Bihar. After that, in Gujarat, the ruler was Mirza Hussain. At first, they defeated Muzaffar Khan III. After that, Mirza Hussain. Okay, and captured the Gujarat. Next one, it is Mewar, and at that time, the ruler of Mewar was Maharana Pratap. He refused to accept the superiority of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. So that's why they fought between each other in the battle of Haldigati, and it is a remarkable battle, and in this battle Rana Pratap also defeated in 1576. Okay, so next one, it is the third expedition. So the third hub of Mughal military expedition, it is from 1586 from 1601, led by Akbar, that is Orissa. Orissa also captured from Nisar Khan. Next one, Balochistan, it is present in present day Pakistan. Kandahar, it is present day Afghanistan. Okay, Khandes, mainly the South Indian Shia states such as Khandes, Berar, Ahmadnagar, as well as Asirgarh fort he captured, and Kashmir also came under the dominance of Akbar, and after defeating Yusuf Khan and Yaqut Khan, okay, in 1586. So all these expeditions strengthened the Mughal Empire and helped Akbar to build a powerful administration and inside the empire. Okay, students, so that's all from the Akbar's military campaigns. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Next class we will discuss about the military campaigns of Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. So thank you for watching.